Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this cute turtle charm out of polymer clay. Nearly all turtle species are endangered. We need to protect and prevent the loss of the sea turtles. I'll be leaving on the description box below the 5 ways on how to save the sea turtles. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Firstly, you want to take and mix the blue, yellow, and white clay for the shell of the turtle. You can choose any colors that you like. Get another clay and flatten it down until it fits the size of the shell. And then attach it at the bottom part of the shell. Go ahead and get a cotton pads with an oil to remove the fingerprints on the clay. Next is to create balls for the head, front flippers, back flippers, and the tail. Starting with the biggest one, shape it into upside down teardrop shape, pinch the end, smooth it out with your fingers to make a neck of the turtle. Flatten the neck and attach it to the bottom part of the shell. You can use any tool to smooth it out. To make the front flippers, roll each end with your fingers to get the boomerang kind of shape. Position the flippers however you like and then attach it at the bottom part of the shell. Do the same process with the back flippers. Get another white clay and flatten it down. This will serve as the lower cover of the shell. Get 2 balls of black clay. This will serve as the eyes of the turtle. Now get a tiny piece of black clay and create a U shape for the mouth. Next, get the white clay and roll it out to make a very long coil. And then attach it around the shell. You can now design your shell with your own imagination. For the final touch, go ahead and add some tiny mollusks using small balls of clay. Put it on the head, flippers, and shell. You can now add your eye pin. Bake it in the oven and glaze it using varnish. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check the links to learn more about the endangered turtles.